Hello friends, welcome to the Programmer's Talk Fun with Python series. Today we are going to see a beautiful word cloud building using simple Python code. This was the word cloud. Let's see how can we build that. Go back to the code editor. I'm done with my Spider code editor which will comes with the Anaconda software. Now I want to install word cloud library. Install word cloud library in your console. As I'm already installed it, so no need to install again. It will show the requirements already satisfied, right? Okay. Let's move to the code part. Move to the code part. First of all, we need to import all the necessary modules. Before importing the modules, you need a text file. You need a text file that the text file contains all the words you are going to build with that. Let's see how can we build the text file. Okay, you can see the word.txt has been stored where my program has been located. Now we are just going to import the necessaries from word cloud. Import word cloud. From word cloud, import word cloud. Make sure the spell mistakes, word cloud, and also the stop words. The stop words are nothing but the words you are going to give to build a simple word cloud, right? And text equal to, I am going to open the text. What I have done, word.txt, word.txt, comma mode equal to, I want to make the mode on read only format, and encoding equal to UTF-8. Next, I just want to read only, not able to determine and not able to write. At the same time, we are going to extract the stop words. We have to mention the stop words in the stop words variable, and after declaring, these are the attributes that we can apply in building our word cloud. And let's see with that simple. Let me store it in a variable wc equal to word cloud of stop words, which I was stored in stop words variable, and I'm going to give the background color. Background color as I will give it white. By default, the background color will be black. Please make sure that by default the background color is black. And height I would like to mention as 600, and width is also 600. Okay, I have to mention the attributes for my word cloud that I am going to build. Now it's time to generate. GENE. Generate from the text I have provided. Okay. Next, after generating, I just want to save that file in my folder. Okay. For that, wc.to file of, I want to give the name as generator.png. Okay, and that's it. If we run this program, and it will return me empty. That means a file has been generated already, generated.pdf. Right? Let me check that file has been generated or not. Yeah, it was generated for me. It was generated for me, and I have represented the background color as white. Let me remove that background color as white. By default it can take, by default it will be, yeah, again I had run, and it automatically replaced with the previous one. If you can click this button, and you can see a beautiful black color font. In this way you can use different attributes by making your word cloud strong. Thanks for watching Fun with Python series.